Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart may look different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll keep the chart relevant for as long as possible. Now, the big level that I've talked about for those of you that have watched the videos in the past has been this green line down here with the value of 10,000. And basically, that's quite the important level. And as of right now, and again, I say as of right now because I realize that, 15, 20 hours from now, which by the way, I'm jealous of those of you watching this several hours from now because you're going to have more of an idea what has happened. But as of right now, so far so good. This general area is indeed holding up as support. And you definitely want to see 10,000 continue to hold. So that also brings about the first question that you're going to want to ask yourself, and that question being nothing fancy at all other than just simply where's the price at relative to 10,000. Now this is where some gut instincts, common sense will take you far. If you're answering the question that the price is down here at 9,900, don't get me wrong, that's not a good thing. But if you're watching it and now all of a sudden 15 hours from now the price is down here at 9,500, well, that's telling you that things have really gotten out of control and that the bears have, picked up quite a bit of pace. So like I said, from that angle of things, let common sense, let gut instincts go, take you to where you need to be. But yeah, preferably speaking, you definitely do want to see the price stay up above 10,000. But, like I said, there's a little give and take there. If it's at 9,900, again, yeah, not the greatest thing, but it's not like it's, the chart would be totally crushed, as opposed to if it's sitting down there at 9,500, that's a much different story. So, like I said, question number one revolves all around that 10,000 level. And this is not some sort of like great discovery on my part. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are watching that area and wondering the same thing. So let's see if the price can maintain above it. Now, if you were answering the question, well, Clay, the price is actually still up above 10,000, the next question you would want to immediately ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 10,400, which is essentially the value of these moving averages up here, give or take a little bit, but 10,400, because if somehow you're answering the question that the price is up above 10,400, that would imply that both these moving averages have been broken as resistance, and that would definitely be a big bullish sign. Now, if the price is down below 10,400, not the end of the world, which brings about the last, possible scenario where if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is up above 10,000, but still down below 10,400. So in other words, the price is kind of just fluctuating somewhere around here. At that point, one word could summarize that current price movement, and that would just be consolidation. So keep your eye on these levels going forward. Ask yourself those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.